Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet Swift. Open the app and follow prompts to create a wallet, then back up your recovery phrase securely. Set a strong PIN and enable biometrics so you can access funds quickly while keeping them safe. After securing the wallet, add a few tokens, review network fees, and practice sending a small test transaction to build confidence with the steps. To manage tokens, tap the Receive or Add Token button and search the token symbol or paste the contract address exactly. Use the wallet's portfolio view to monitor balances, values, and recent activity in one place. Hide tokens you do not use to declutter the interface, and pin favorites for quick access. Regularly review token approvals and adjust settings as needed to limit smart contract permissions when possible. If this guide is helping you, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel and get more crypto tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading guides, white papers, and staying informed while on the go, and it fits the relaxed vibe of learning crypto. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. When sending or receiving, always double-check the recipient address and consider scanning a QR code to avoid mistakes. Review gas fees and choose a speed that fits your priorities between cost and transaction time. For added safety, send a small test amount first before transferring larger sums. Keep transaction history in mind and use the built-in transaction details to track confirmations and ensure the transfer completed as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.